India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I will raise my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, lights my happiness, joy in him. Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Mayaya Shitalam, Shashamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubra Jyotsna Pulasitaya Minim Pulakalumita Rumarala Shobhinim Subhasinim Sumadura Bhashinim Sukadam